In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bass boost songs on CapCut PC. If you want your music to sound deeper, heavier, and more powerful, CapCut makes it very easy to do with just a few quick audio adjustments. This is a simple method that works well when you want more low-end punch and that rich bass-heavy sound in your track. To begin, head down to your timeline and find the audio clip or song you want to edit. Once you see it, click directly on that music track. When it becomes highlighted with a white border, that confirms the clip is selected and ready for changes. This step is important because CapCut only applies the audio effect to the clip you've chosen, so make sure you're clicking the correct song segment before moving on. After that, move your cursor to the Properties panel in the top right area of the screen. This is where CapCut gives you access to most of your clip controls. Click on the Audio tab to open your sound settings. From there, select the Voice Changer section, or look just below the basic equalizer area where the sound customization options appear. Depending on your version of CapCut, the layout may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to reach the section where the audio presets and effect controls are available. Once you're there, it's time to boost the low frequencies. Scroll through the available audio filter or preset cards until you find the one labeled Deep. Click on it once to apply it to your song. This preset shifts the balance of the audio so the lower frequencies stand out more, which gives your track a fuller and more bass-focused sound right away. If you want even more impact, look beneath the preset area for the adjustment slider. Click and drag that slider to the right to increase the strength of the effect. As you raise it, the bass response becomes more noticeable, giving your song that deeper, heavier rumble. It's a good idea to adjust it gradually so the sound stays strong without becoming muddy or overwhelming. And that's it. With your audio clip selected, the deep preset applied, and the effect level increased, your song should now hit much harder with enhanced bass inside CapCut PC. You're all set. Done.